Okay. So, hi, I'm Vidushi, and here we have with us Heather Khan, CEO of Godawari Electric Motors. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so let's just start with the first question. So, what has inspired the inception of eBlue by Godawari Electric Motors, and what is the driving mission behind the brand?
Okay. See, just to take you back a few years back, uh, Godawari is a group, is a subgroup of the Hira company. The Hira group is primarily into steel manufacturing, mining, solar, cement, real estate. So it's a 8,000 crore group. They wanted to come up with a employment for the poor solution. And we started this company in 2019 with as a e-blue company in a leasing space. Okay, so that time we were buying these e-rickshaws from some other company, and we were leasing it to the unemployed youths at a very nominal security deposit and a very nominal per day rent. And after they would drive the vehicle for 1,000 days, all 1,000 days complete service would be taken care by us, and after the 1,000 day the vehicle will be transferred in their name. So this was the business model we started with. But with
Okay.
COVID hitting in, the situation, this business just collapsed. Most of the leasing business collapsed during that phase. So, but during that time, we realized that there is a huge potential of EV vehicles in the near future, and that is where we decided to get into the retail space by manufacturing our own products. So, in 2021 mid, we formed this new company, Godawari Motors, and we started building on the product development, factory setup, complete team building, and we were very clear as to what three things we wanted from the eBlue brand now. First, we wanted to have the complete range of products, the complete range of three wheelers and the two wheeler products. The second was we wanted to have the best in class and quality products with the great value for money proposition. So that is why all our products are designed from scratch, developed with a customer inspirations in mind. And third was that we wanted to give the best in class service to our customers, service and spares backup. So these were the three major principles we followed, and till now, if you see, these are the three principles I personally monitor and I control.
Okay, that's great, sir. Okay, so sir, the second question is that can you highlight some key features about the e-blue electric vehicles?
See, if I look at the three wheeler, if I look at the three wheeler passenger, which was the first product from our portfolio, it is one of the finest designs on road today. We have
It is.
used DCPD material, which is a non-breakable, very high class plastic. Then our rear suspension is independent like a car, where the safety is of the highest level because both the wheels independently operate. So in a turning, the vehicle is very well balanced. There is no or toppling or anything can happen in a three wheeler. Our battery is probably one of the biggest, 10.2 kilowatt hour, with a mileage of 170 on road. We are getting it all across. So these were some of the features we had in mind because we were very clear. Commercial vehicle has only one thing to deliver, that is earnability. How much this vehicle a customer can earn out of the vehicle. And for scooter, from day one, we were very clear that FIO is going to be the a family scooter, and the complete FIO was designed, developed, and the performance is based on three things. First is comfort, second is safety, and third is convenience. So, if I look at, do you want me to explain these features?
So
So,
you can explain in brief.
yeah. So, for example, safety, we have dual disc brakes, in the vehicle.
Okay.
If I look at comfort, the one of the most comfortable and the biggest seats we have, the leg room, the leg space is probably the best in the industry. So the utility space is of 28 liters under the seat for ladies to carry their purchases. Uh, and if I look at convenience, we are just retailing this vehicle at 99,999, which is absolutely a fantastic price to be in. So and mileage is 110 kilometers on actual driving condition. So all in all, it is a package of safety, comfort, and convenience.
Okay, sir. Got it. So, how does eBlue ensure the safety of the electric vehicles and like considering the sustainable transportation also?
See, if I look at the electric vehicle,
Hmm.
the biggest, if you see, the most important part of this vehicle is the battery.
Yes.
And what we have done is we have given the most optimum battery, whereas all the competition has moved toward to NMC technology. We have gone to LMFP technology, which is the safest. This is 100% fireproof chemistry. The heating of the vehicle will not happen. The battery
Okay.
will not happen. We have introduced the four safety features in this, which is
Mm-hmm.
four temperature sensors, pressure valves, complete insulation of the battery. And so, means I would say one of the safest batteries on road. And we are giving a
Yes.
5 years warranty on the battery from day one.
Okay.
So these are the features. If I look at the safety, then dual disc brakes, both the wheels have the disc brake. Our vehicle is probably one of the most stable, balanced vehicle in the industry as of now. So
Okay.
looking at all the safety features, we have tried to give a vehicle which is absolutely 100% safe in every aspect.
Yes, sir. Got it. So, what are the measures that you are taking for customer satisfaction, both in terms of product quality and after sales service?
See, product quality, we have four levels of QC check in the manufacturing process. One is when the parts come in, we have a complete 100% QC on all parts when we receive it in the plant. Then during the manufacturing process, there are seven steps of QC where we look at during the manufacturing, there is no manufacturing defect which happens during the manufacturing process. When the
Okay.
vehicle is ready, before we dispatch it, there is another QC of both static and dynamic testing. We have purchased a dynometer, which is a very costly instrument, which checks
Mm-hmm.
we check 100% of our scooters on these dynometers. And finally, before we deliver it to the customer, a complete PDI is done. So we have four checks of QC in before we deliver it to the customer. This is one. The other area is we are giving 8 free services for the vehicle. So the customer can avail 8 free services that takes care of around 2 years of his, where we give him 2 years of free service.
Mm-hmm.
Then there is a paid service. On the vehicle, we are giving a 3 years, the 3 years, 30,000 kilometer warranty. And on the battery, we are giving 5 years and 50,000 kilometers on the warranty.
Got it.
Yeah. So it's all
That's
in
really
all,
great.
quality is completely taken care by.
Okay. Okay. So, how does Eblu incorporate customer feedback into the design and development process of electric vehicles? Like, does it?
Yeah, see, normally once you sell the vehicle,
Mm-hmm.
the actual feedback of the vehicle starts to come in. Let me give you 2, 3 examples of how the quality work is done. When we
Okay.
launched FIO, FIO was having a detachable battery. But when we sold the vehicle and we came to know that boot space or the under seat space is very
Hmm.
important in a scooter, which we thought that it is not very important, but then we knew that most of the consumers were asking for it. So when we launched FIOX, we have changed the battery position, and now we are giving a 28-liter boot space. And this vehicle is launched just 3 months after FIO launch, which was not in our agenda. This
Mm-hmm.
FIO-X is a quick fix vehicle with the same characteristic of FIO with a boot space.
Okay.
So this is how, and I'm just giving you one
Yes, yes.
major development, but small changes, small improvements are a consistent improvement which is happening in the product development phase.
Yes, so that's important. Great. So, can you share some sustainability initiatives that have happened during the manufacturing process of the electric vehicles?
We have a team which is called the value engineering team. So this value engineering team is continuously working on the vehicle to improve the quality and reduce the cost. So suppose the initial phase we had made a vehicle with a weight of say 300 kgs. So
Mm-hmm.
they will work on it to knock out wherever there is an extra weight to make it more efficient. Then
Mm-hmm.
there are things which we have given which the consumer is not finding it valuable, so we are removing it. So it's a for the company also. It is very important that we get the profitability of the product. So there is suppose there are failures of say one component which is more than the other components. So we work on with other vendors and replace that component with some other vendor with a better quality product. So there is a team of value engineering team with engineers working continuously on improving the product, both in
Mm-hmm.
terms of quality as well as in terms of profitability.
Okay, got it, sir. So, can you provide an overview about the company expansions in the future? Is it planning something big like in the coming years?
See, as of now, we are for the next 1 to 2 years, we are going to focus only on completely creating the two-wheeler range. Like we in August, we are launching a new vehicle called FIO DX, which is more youthful, which are much more powerful motor controller, higher speed, uh,
Okay.
better mileage. So this is a youthful scooter will be coming, and by
Hmm.
the end of this financial year, we are looking to come up with a e-motorcycle. So,
Wow. Okay.
so this is the complete range. On the three-wheeler front, we have launched the L5 Auto, L5N, that is the loader, and we are launching
Hmm.
e-rickshaw this month. So,
Okay.
and we are working on an economic model of the L5, where we are trying to see we can reduce the cost by 60-70,000 rupees for a better value proposition. So there is a
Oh,
complete work going on in the two and three wheeler category as of now. But simultaneously, we are also working on a four-wheeler project, uh, which will we will kickstart maybe next year, mid next year, uh, where we are looking at the loader category of four-wheeler, like the Tata Ace and Maximo, like that. So
okay.
that is another project in the pipeline. The work is going on in that area.
Okay. There are way more projects.
Yeah.
So
So
all the best for all of them, sir.
yeah, thank you so much. Hmm.
So that's the end of our interview. And thank you
Oh,
so much.
thank you so much for your time. It was pleasure talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Same.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.